Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from India. I'm from India. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am happy. Yes, I am happy. How was your day? How was your day? My day was good. My day was good. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you like English? Do you like English? Yes, I like English. Yes, I like English. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, I can help. Yes, I can help. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, a little tired. Yes, a little tired. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? Reading. Reading. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Do you have friends? Do you have friends? Yes, I have many friends. Yes, I have many friends. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. Do you wash your face? Do you wash your face? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you take a bath? Do you take a bath? Yes, I take a bath. Yes, I take a bath. Do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast. Yes, I eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. I eat bread and eggs. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go by bus. I go by bus. Do you like your school? Do you like your school? Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is John. My best friend is John. Do you study English every day? Do you study English every day? Yes, I study daily. Yes, I study daily. Do you do homework? Do you do homework? Yes, I do homework. Yes, I do homework. What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Titanic. My favorite movie is Titanic. Do you like YouTube? Do you like YouTube? Yes, I like YouTube. Yes, I like YouTube. Do you write every day? Do you write every day? Yes, I write daily. Yes, I write daily. Do you dance? Do you dance? Yes, I like dancing. Yes, I like dancing. Do you drink tea? Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink tea. Yes, I drink tea. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you drink milk? Do you drink milk? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Do you like fruit? Do you like fruit? Yes, I like fruit. Yes, I like fruit. Do you like apple? Do you like apple? Yes, I like apples. Yes, I like apples. Do you like banana? Do you like banana? Yes, I like banana. Yes, I like banana. Do you like rice? Do you like rice? Yes, I eat rice. Yes, I eat rice. Do you eat vegetable? Do you eat vegetable? Do you eat meat? Do you eat meat? Yes, I eat meat. Yes, I eat meat. Do you like sweets? Do you like sweets? Yes, I like sweets. Yes, I like sweets. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? It is sunny. It is sunny. It is hot today. It is hot today. Yes, very hot. Yes, very hot. What is your day? What is your day? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Do you wear a watch? Do you wear a watch? Yes, I wear a watch. Yes, I wear a watch. Do you go to the zoo? Do you go to the zoo? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you go to the library? Do you go to the library? Do you go to the beach? Do you go to the beach? Yes, in summer. Yes, in summer. Do you go to the hospital? Do you go to the hospital? Yes, when sick. Yes, when sick. Do you go to the market? Do you go to the market? Yes, every week. Yes, every week.